Are you wondering how to hard reset your smart light soul machine? Okay, so on these things actually there is like no good way how you can actually reset them, and there's like no switch or any function that you need to do to be able to reset them in any way. So, but if you maybe want to unpair it from your phone and maybe pair with this another, then simply all you have to do is go in your Bluetooth settings, click on this device basically in the settings and click the forget option. So if I click that, also the device will actually say disconnected, and basically we will be able to actually pair with a new phone. Basically. And if you want to reset maybe the time or alarm, there really isn't any way how you can do that or any other settings. So you simply have to adjust the time manually to the new one that you actually need. So we can press and hold this basically, and then use these buttons to cycle up, down, use this to go to the minutes, navigate basically to the correct minutes. And then if you want to set alarm, simply wait. It will go back basically. So once it starts blinking, we will basically go in the watch setting menu again, press and hold it for 2 seconds, like so. See blink, I will press and hold it again, and as you see it enters this alarm menu. So and we set the alarm again basically in the same way. So go up and down and use this to change to the minutes, and again once done simply wait. So wait a few seconds like, and we'll basically get it changed. So, and yeah, that's how I do it. Okay, good luck everyone.